When the SWAT team is called out, they have to be prepared for any situation.
Yeah, that's why the Pima Regional SWAT team recently put its negotiators through a mental health training course, making them the first in the state to do so. The training gives negotiators warning signs of mental health problems with the goal of resolving every situation peacefully. And last week, that training was put to the test. 9 News Side's Ricky Mitchell has more.
A 17-year-old boy has a gun. He's holed up in a drainage ditch in this Vale neighborhood while negotiators try to talk him down. And after almost 5 hours, he surrenders peacefully.
Are you giving credit to that new training for that situation ending well?
It was certainly helpful, yes. And even our tactical operators who were on scene also there with the negotiators, because we were negotiating face-to-face with the young man. Even they were quite impressed with how the negotiations went.
Most of the SWAT team already went through an intensive week-long crisis intervention training, but some members had no mental health training at all. The 8-hour course was able to bridge the gap between those two groups.
This is just another tool in our toolbox.
Sergeant Carmen Trevizo is a negotiator with the SWAT team. She says in the last 10 years, law enforcement agencies have become more sensitive to mental health issues when responding to scenes.
Let's just say we're dealing with an individual that falls within the autism spectrum. They become very overwhelmed with too much stimulus. So traditionally, law enforcement would use commands, maybe have lights, sirens going. So if we can reduce that stimulus, that can really reduce the potential for something happening.
The majority of people that we deal with on a daily basis are in some sort of crisis and have mental health issues, and it better equips us in how to deal with those people.
Ricky Mitchell, KGUN-9 on your side.
And the Sheriff's Department says they plan to eventually put every commissioned officer through that week-long crisis intervention training.